Have you ever wondered if you should have your home inspected before putting it on the market? In this episode, I'm going to tackle that question. Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios Show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you tuning into this episode. I've had this question often, and actually I've done past videos on this about, whether or not you should get a home inspection on your home prior to putting it on the market. And so I want to share with you my advice on this and what I would personally do, as well as my professional opinion. So before we dive into this though, actually, if you can follow me on social media, those links are in the description below, and be sure to visit my website. It's allabouttherealestate.com. You can fill out the pop-up form to receive a brand new episode of the Ask Jason Gelios Show and other valuable tips for homeowners and whatnot in your email once a week. Now, great question. Should you get a home inspection before you put your home on the market? I say yes, and here's why. Personally and professionally, I would absolutely have a home inspection done on your home. Too many times I've seen it where the home seller is surprised when there's an issue, right? A buyer comes in, they place a good offer, they're excited, right, about purchasing the home. They schedule their inspection if they didn't waive it. And what happens is, we didn't know that there was mold in the attic or in the crawl space. We didn't know that the electrical was outdated. We didn't know, okay? Had the homeowner, okay, got the pre-listing inspection, it's called, had a home inspector come out and provide a detailed report on their home prior to putting it on the market, they could have addressed any potential issues that could cause a deal to stall or die, okay? They would have known about the mold in the attic or crawl space. They would have known that the window upstairs is rotted, or whatever issues could come up, right? There's a lot of issues that could. So as a homeowner, if you're looking to sell your home, absolutely get a pre-listing inspection, because guess what? Us homeowners, we don't go in our attic often. We don't go under the house, right, in a crawl space. We don't really look for these things. We may, as potential home sellers say, you know what? I should paint this room. I should, clean this up and declutter and all this stuff. That's great. However, you want to look at the bones of the house, and that's what a reputable home inspector will do. They will look at your home from the inside out. They will give you a detailed report. They should be. Don't hire a home inspector that doesn't do that. Okay? They'll even look at your roof. Many times, the home inspector that I know, he goes up there with a drone, and actually gives you photos of the roof, and he looks and he inspects, he looks at all these things. I can tell you, as a homeowner, I'm not going up on my roof. I don't want to fall off. I don't want to die trying to inspect my roof. I'll have the home inspector do that, and I've done that before. So, should you get a home inspection prior to putting your house on the market? Yes. Yes, you will spend a little bit of money. Home inspections are not that expensive. I've seen them where they're around $300, and I've seen them go up past $1,000, all right, just above $1,000, because you have a huge house. But let me ask you this: if you don't become aware of these issues and you put your home on the market and it sells, and you have someone that is going through the process and they get to the inspection and the inspector finds something, and next thing you know, the buyer is trying to negotiate you down by $5,000, $8,000, $20,000. I've seen that, Why not have the pre-listing inspection? So, with that said, I hope you found this episode valuable. Be sure to share this with others who could find value from the episode, and help me spread the word about my real estate Q&A show I have here. So anyway, I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you guys watching.